Hello students, welcome to the new lecture of the Engineering Chemistry course. Continuing with the Unit 5, Organic Reaction Mechanism and Introduction of Drugs. As we are discussing the topic mechanism of various kind of organic reactions, in which the substitution reaction we are discussing. In the previous lecture, we have covered the topic substitution nucleophilic intramolecular, that is SNI reactions, and aromatic nucleophilic substitution, that is SNAR reactions. In the previous lecture, we have also learned about the free radical substitution reactions. So let us begin with the today's lecture. In the today's class, we will going to learn about the electrophilic substitution reactions. Remember one thing, that we have discussed that the substitution reactions are broadly classified in three categories: nucleophilic substitution reactions, free radical substitution reactions, and the electrophilic substitution reactions. In our previous lectures, we have completed the topic nucleophilic as well as the free radical substitution reactions. So in the today's class, we are going to learn about the electrophilic substitution reactions, in which we will discuss the definition of these reactions, types of electrophilic substitution reactions, in which the electrophilic aromatic substitution reactions and the electrophilic aliphatic substitution reactions we will going to learn about. So let us start with the definition part. What are the electrophilic substitution reactions? Basically, the electrophilic substitution reactions are the reactions in which the attacking species is the electrophile. So we can define these reactions as an electrophilic substitution reaction is a chemical reaction in which the functional group attached to a compound is replaced by the electrophile. So here the attacking species will be the electrophile, and this electrophile attacks on the substrate molecule. So basically, the attacking reagent is the electrophile, which attacks on the substrate molecule, and from the substrate molecule some atom or group of atom is replaced by this electrophile. So this kind of reactions are known as the electrophilic substitution reactions, in which the electrophile attacks on the substrate molecule and displaces the one atom or the group of atom from the substrate molecule, and the substituted product is formed. Now, looking for the types of electrophilic substitution reactions. Depending upon the substrate molecule, the electrophilic substitution reactions are classified in two categories. First, if the substrate molecule is the aromatic compound, then the reaction is named as the electrophilic aromatic substitution reactions. While when the substrate molecule is the aliphatic compound, that means open chain compound, then the reaction is named as the electrophilic aliphatic substitution reactions. So basically, the electrophilic substitution reactions are those reactions in which substitution takes place by the attack of the electrophile onto the substrate molecule, and depending upon the nature of the substrate molecule, these reactions are classified in two categories: electrophilic aromatic substitution and the electrophilic aliphatic substitution. If the substrate is aromatic, then reaction is named as the electrophilic aromatic substitution. While if the substrate molecule is the aliphatic in nature, then these reactions are named as the electrophilic aliphatic substitution reactions. In today's lecture, we will discuss both of these reactions in detail. So let us start with the electrophilic aromatic substitution reaction. Must remember that electrophilic substitution reactions are the characteristic reactions of the aromatic compound. So whenever we are talking about the electrophilic substitution reactions, must remember these reactions are the characteristic reactions of the aromatic compound. In the electrophilic aromatic substitution reaction, an atom attached to the aromatic ring. So this is the benzene ring or the aromatic ring. When this atom attached to the aromatic ring, this atom is replaced by the attack of the electrophile. For example, sulfonation of the benzene compounds or the aromatic compound, nitration of the aromatic compounds, and the well-known reaction Friedel-Crafts reaction, that is the alkylation of the benzene ring or the aromatic compound, is the best examples of the electrophilic aromatic substitution reactions. In this example, when benzene is reacted with the electrophile Cl plus here, this electrophile attacks onto the carbon atom of the benzene ring, and this hydrogen is replaced by the chlorine. So chlorobenzene is formed as a substituted product in this reaction. Now, the mechanism of the electrophilic aromatic substitution reaction. The electrophilic aromatic substitution involves two steps. In the first step, attack of electrophile at the pi electrons of the benzene ring takes place. This leads to the formation of the carbocation intermediate, and due to the resonance, this carbocation intermediate stabilizes. So look at here, when electrophile attacks onto this pi bond, so let us give the numbering of the carbon atoms: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. If the pi bond between the first and second carbon atom, now when electrophile attack onto this pi bond, suppose it attacks onto the second carbon atom, so pi bond moves, electrons of the pi bond moves towards the second carbon atom. So now these electrons are available with the second carbon atom, and electrophile attack onto this carbon atom. Due to this, the carbon atom number 1 becomes the electron deficient, and the positive charge goes onto the carbon atom number 1, and finally the carbocation intermediate is formed. So here the positive charge lies with the carbon atom number 1. Now what happens next? This positive charge, when this pi electrons are moved between carbon atom number 1 and carbon atom number 6, so this carbon atom number 5 becomes the electron deficient, and the positive charge coming towards the carbon atom number 5. So next resonating structure is this, where the carbon atom number 5 has the positive charge. This is the 6th carbon atom, this is the 1st carbon atom, this is the 4th one, 3rd one, and this is our 2nd carbon atom. Now in the next step, what happens? This double bond lies between 4 and 5 carbon atom, and the positive charge goes to the carbon atom number 3 like this. So carbon atom number 3 is now positive carbon atom, and these pi bonds are here. So due to this type of resonance, the carbocation intermediate is stabilized. This is the resonance hybrid of the carbocation intermediate. So the first step is the, due to the attack of the electrophile, the carbocation intermediate is formed, and due to the resonance, this carbocation intermediate get stabilizes. Now in the second step of this reaction, breakage of this CH bond takes place, okay, which restores the aromaticity of this benzene ring. What happens next? The electrophilic, in the second step, the electrophilic aromatic substitution is completed with the deprotonation, means breaking of this CH bond takes place. So when this H removes from here, so these electrons are now available with this carbon atom, and Again, the pi bond is formed between first and second carbon atom, which restores the aromaticity of this benzene ring, and finally the substituted product is formed. So again I am repeating the whole mechanism. The electrophilic aromatic substitution reaction takes place in two steps. In the first step, attack of electrophile by aromatic pi bond takes place. So in this step, this electrophile attacks on that carbon atom, and due to this attack of the electrophile, formation of the carbocation intermediate takes place. This is the first step. In the second step, deprotonation of this carbocation takes place, which results in the formation of the substituted product. So in this way the electrophilic aromatic substitution reaction proceeds. Now some important examples of the electrophilic aromatic substitution reactions are nitration of the aromatic compound and formation of the second is the sulfonation, and third one is the Friedel-Crafts reactions. So the electrophilic aromatic substitution reactions are those in which the electrophile attacks onto the benzene ring and the substituted product is formed. Few examples of the electrophilic aromatic substitution reactions are nitration of benzene ring, sulfonation of benzene ring, and the well-known reaction Friedel-Crafts reaction, in which higher alkyl benzene is formed. So let us take the example here. When benzene ring is reacted with the nitric acid in presence of H2SO4, then hydrogen of this benzene ring is replaced by the NO2 and nitrobenzene is formed. Similarly, the sulfonation reaction takes place, and in the Friedel-Crafts reactions, alkyl group hydrogen is replaced by the alkyl group in presence of the Lewis acid. So in this reaction, the aromatic number of carbon atom is increased in the system. Substituted alkyl benzenes are formed. For example, let us take the example of the Friedel-Crafts reaction when benzene is reacted with the alkyl halide in presence of the Lewis acid. Formation of the alkyl benzene takes place. So what is the mechanism of this reaction? As this reaction is the type of the electrophilic aromatic substitution reaction. So as we have discussed just now, that in this reaction, in the first step, carbocation intermediate is formed. How it forms? Because this alkyl halide in presence of Lewis acid forms this electrophilic species R+. So this electrophilic species attacks onto that carbon atom, and formation of the carbocation intermediate takes place. Now in the second step, deprotonation of this carbocation takes place. Deprotonation means removal of this hydrogen from the carbocation intermediate. So with the removal of this hydrogen, aromaticity of the benzene ring is again maintained, and the alkyl substituted aromatic compound or the alkyl substituted benzene is formed. So this is the example of the Friedel-Crafts reaction, in which when the alkyl halide is reacted with the benzene in presence of Lewis acid, the substituted alkyl benzene is formed. Now let us discuss the second type of the electrophilic substitution reaction, that is the electrophilic aliphatic substitution reactions. So by the name it is very clear that when the electrophilic substitution taking place at the aliphatic compound, then this reaction is known as the electrophilic aliphatic substitution reaction. In electrophilic aliphatic substitution reactions, an electrophile replaces the functional group, generally the hydrogen, in an aliphatic compound. So in general, in the aliphatic compound, the hydrogen is replaced by the electrophile. These are the electrophilic aliphatic substitution reactions. These reactions are very similar to the nucleophilic aliphatic substitution reactions, SN reactions, where the reactant is the nucleophile rather than the electrophile. So basically, in the aliphatic system, when the attacking species is the electrophile, then the reaction is known as the electrophilic aliphatic substitution reactions. In the similar way of the SN reactions, the four possible electrophilic aliphatic substitution reaction mechanisms are SE1, SE2 and SEI reactions. These are similar with the SN1, SN2 and SNI reactions. Here fourth type is the SE2. Actually, the SE2 reaction is of two types, SE2 front and the SE2 back. That is why these are the four possible electrophilic aromatic substitution reactions. These are very similar to the SN reactions like SN1, SN2 and the SNI reactions. Few examples of the electrophilic aliphatic substitution reactions are halogenation of ketones, nitrosation, ketoenol tautomerism, insertion of a carbene into carbon-hydrogen bond, and aliphatic diazonium coupling. For example, here the halogenation of ketone. In this reaction, when ketone is treated with the halogen in presence of the Lewis acid, look at here, this is the alpha carbon atom. What is the alpha carbon atom? Which is the next carbon atom of the functional group. This is the alpha carbon atom. So this is the keto group here. So this carbon atom is the alpha carbon atom, and the hydrogen present attached to the alpha carbon atom is known as the alpha hydrogen. So in this electrophilic aliphatic substitution reaction, alpha hydrogen is replaced by the halogen in presence of the Lewis acid. So what is the reaction here? In this reaction, when halogen is reacted to the ketone in which alpha hydrogen is present, so the substitution taking place, and X, that is the halogen, replaces the alpha hydrogen from the ketonic compound, and the haloketones are the formed product of these reactions with the elimination of the hydrogen halide. So basically in this reaction, alpha hydrogen is replaced by the halogen, that is the electrophile, because in presence of Lewis acid, halogen is reacted, or taking species would be the X plus. This is the electrophile. So this replaces the hydrogen from here, alpha hydrogen, and finally haloketone products are formed. So this is the example of the electrophilic aliphatic substitution reaction. Now it is the learning check time. Look at the reaction here and think, what is the major product given in the reagent below? Reagents are the bromine and the FeBr3. What will be the project? Yes, you are right. The major product is the bromobenzene. Look at here. These are the reagents used in the Friedel-Crafts reactions, or the halogenation of the benzene reaction. So in this reaction, bromobenzene is the product. Now let us revise what we have discussed in the today's lecture. In the today's class, we have learned about the electrophilic substitution reactions, in which we have discussed that these substitution reactions are those in which the attacking species is the electrophile, and due to the attack of the electrophile, some atom or the group of atom replaces. Hence these are named as the electrophilic substitution reactions. Then we have discussed that depending upon the nature of the substrate, these reactions are of two types, that is electrophilic aromatic substitution reaction and the electrophilic aliphatic substitution reactions. One thing you must remember, that Electrophilic substitution reactions are the characteristic reactions of the aromatic compound. Okay, and the very well known reaction of the aromatic compound electrophilic aromatic substitution reactions are nitration of benzene, sulfonation of benzene, and the Friedel-Crafts reactions, in which Friedel-Crafts alkylation and the Friedel-Crafts acylation reactions are the most common reactions of the aromatic compounds. Then we have learned about the electrophilic aliphatic substitution reactions, in which we have learned that the similar to the nucleophilic substitution reactions, the aliphatic electrophilic substitution reactions are of mainly the three types: SE1 reaction, SE2 reaction, and the SEI reactions. So that's all for the today's lecture. Thank you. Take good care of yourself and keep enjoy e-learning at home. Thank you.